Welcome everyone to my channel Taj Edge online classes. In the series of Principles of Marketing for third semester BBA-BCU students, I have started with Unit 2, Marketing Environment. In the previous videos, I have covered the syllabus, meaning of marketing environment, the components of marketing environment, as well as the difference between micro environment and macro environment. In this video, I'll be discussing on the micro environment. Micro environment refers to the immediate and small forces that directly affect a company's ability to serve its customers. These are factors close to the company and can be controlled or influenced to some extent. If you have watched my previous video, by now you would be knowing the difference between micro and macro environment. Now we need to understand why this micro environment is needed to analyze and understand for any business. Here, as you already know, that micro environment is an immediate and small forces, short-term forces, which is inside or directly connected to the business, that directly affect the company's ability to serve its customers. So how the company act, how company understand the customer needs, how it serves its customer, everything is depending on the micro environment here. These factors are very close to the company and it can be controlled or partially controlled or can also be influenced to some extent. Here you can see here 4 features of the micro environment or characteristics of micro environment. These are factors directly connected to the company's daily operations. So as you already know the difference between micro environment and macro environment, you know that these are the factors which are directly connected to the company's daily operations, daily day-to-day business operations. Each business has its own micro environment. If there is a tea shop near your college, the micro environment of that tea shop is different from the Infosys company's micro environment. Okay, each company, each business, each nature of business has its own micro environment. Where when we think of a macro environment, for all the business, macro environment is same, and its if influence may be vary, depends on the company how it takes, but for in micro environment impacts on all the business is not the same, because it depends on the business, what the business is, how the internal situations in the business are. These factors have a different influence on marketing and business decisions. Micro environmental factors, that are small and immediate forces, has a direct influence on marketing and business decisions. All the elements of the micro environment are connected. A change in one can affect the others. What are these micro environmental factors are, which we already know here, that is company, suppliers, marketing intermediaries, competitors, public, customers. All these micro environmental factors are connected with each other. A change in one thing, if there is a change in suppliers, can affect the intermediaries, can affect the customers, can affect the company, can affect the competitors, can affect the public also, like that. So here a change in one can affect the others. That is what happens in a micro environment. Okay. So let's understand the micro environmental factors one by one. First one, the company. The company itself, including top management and various departments like research and development, R&D here means research and development, marketing department, finance department, HR department, that is human resource department, etc. is the core of the micro environment. Core means very basics of the micro environment. The company itself is the core of the micro environment. All the decisions and the actions begin within the company. As you already know that importance of the company, the component, the company, how it influences the marketing environment by setting goals, the company's goals, vision andre Duradrushti. Okay, as you already know that. What I want to do in next 5 years, in 10 years, what my company wants to do, that is what we call it as a vision. And the marketing strategies, how do we do sell our products, how can we attract the customers, what are the advertising promotional strategies, all those is decided by the company, right? And next, ensures coordination among the departments. All the departments like R&D, marketing, finance, HR, etc. needs to coordinate with each other. Say you are doing marketing, but you cannot do marketing without money, right? So for that you need finance, you need HR also, human resource, who can be the sales executives, managers and everything. You need research and development also, because you want to know the customers' taste and preferences, everything, and you need to develop the product according to their taste and preferences. So here just one thing won't work. There is a need for coordination among the different departments that can be done by the company, the management, top level and various departments, which are the core of the micro environment. Next, allocates resources and monitors the performance. Here the top level managers, they will allocate the resources, right? Allocation means, what is the meaning of allocation? Allocation means allotment. We can say allotment. You need resources. Let's say you need human resource. How many employees are required in marketing? That will be provided. How much money is needed? That will be provided. Correct? So all those resources, how much of material is needed, which software is needed, everything is being provided to your department to do marketing, and also to monitor the performance, how your marketing team is working. To monitor that performance is also supported by the company itself, right? So company here means the top management and the various departments. All of those people together support the marketing department. Example, if the marketing team plans a promotional offer, let's say you are selling some product, let's say you are selling mobile phone, okay, your company is selling mobile phone, and the marketing team plans for a promotional offer for this Independence Day. Okay. Now the finance department must approve the budget first for that Independence Day promotional offers. Next, production unit must ensure enough stock is available. If people start buying it, you should have a sufficient stock. That is how it works. So this is how all the departments work together. They are interconnected. They ensure coordination. They have vision. They use long-term marketing strategies. They allocate the resources properly and monitor the performance. Okay, this is about the company. We'll be discussing other components in the next video.